What is up, peeps? It's Brandon. Here's with my plane. It's a nice, beautiful day. I'll show you outside real quick. Nice and blue, sunny. Nice to have a little taste of summer here in March. Get towards the end of March, so spring. Weather's gonna be bad the rest of the week, it looks like, but yeah. Today I'm gonna be flying down to Vancouver, Washington, right across the river from Portland International. Collecting a stamp, flying over to another airport, getting another stamp, and then flying up to Toledo, Washington to get another stamp, and then we'll see where we're at on time. So yeah, I look forward to having you as my passenger. Thanks for watching.
Alright, I'll shut the window before we take off here. Flight controls. Free and correct. Fuel selector is down on both. Fuel quantity is good, just topped it off. Mixture is rich. Elevator is set for takeoff. Down up to 1700 RPM. And we'll check that left mag. Good drop. Back to both. Right mag. Good drop. Back to both. Pull carb heat. Good drop. Suction is good. Oil pressure is good. Engine instruments all look good. Pull power to idle. Plane doesn't die. That's a good thing. Alright, transponders on 1200 for VFR. Strobe lights not using. Throttle friction lock is adjusted. Brakes release and ready for takeoff. We'll do no flaps, normal takeoff. And switching over to tower frequency. Alright, if we're on the ground and there's an emergency, we're going to pull power to idle, or we'll do a stop. If we're in the air and there's runway remaining, we'll pull power to idle and land back down. If we're in the air and there's not enough runway remaining, we will take off and treat it in the air and look for a field within 30 degrees. And Olympia Tower, Skyhawk 54073, short of 17 on Bravo.
November 54073, Olympia Tower, runway 171180 at 3, clear for takeoff, southbound departure approved.
Clear for takeoff, 1754073. Alright, clear for takeoff, there's a hawk up there. Almost freaking died to a hawk again yesterday. Alright, no one on final. Got 17 on the runway. Power is coming up. Right rudder to stay on center line. Engine instruments are in the green. Airspeed's alive. Looking for 55. 55, she wants to rotate. Pull it back. And we're up. We're looking for 70 to 80 on the initial climb out.
Tower, Cessna 7744 Fox at 17 for takeoff to remain in the pattern for touch and go. Information, Juliet.
November 7744 Fox, Olympia Tower, roger, runway 171170 at 3, clear for takeoff, make left close traffic.
Clear for takeoff, left traffic, 44 Fox.
Going to the south, so we're going to be doing 5,500 today. Let's pull out the checklist. Takeoff check complete. En route climb, 70 to 85, we are at 80. Paddles full open, mixture is full range. Climb check complete. Still got the runway behind us. Like to check. Making sure we're staying on that runway heading out. And add a little bit of...
Tower, experimental 706, Romeo Victor, hold short 26, ready for takeoff.
Experimental 706, Romeo Victor, Olympia Tower, hold short, Romeo 26.
Short 26, 706, Romeo Victor.
Alright, sent the flight plan from the iPad to this. We will preview it. KVUO, Vancouver, that looks good. Activate. And we will keep the climb coming.
Experimental 706, Romeo Victor, runway 26, wind calm, clear for takeoff. Left turn out to the south, approved traffic on the upwind for runway 17, Cessna 150, and the left hand closed.
Okay, clear for takeoff 26, see that traffic. 6 Romeo Victor.
Alrighty. Getting turned over here onto the magenta line. We are passing through 2,000, climbing 5,500, 3,500 to go.
November 54073 for exchange approved, have a good flight.
Exchange approved, 54073.
Number 761 Kilo Bravo, what approach should you want at Renton?
1 Kilo Bravo, I'll probably cancel when I get to about Caro.
Number 761 Kilo Bravo, roger.
Seattle Skyhawk 54073 with a VFR request.
Was it 54073?
Affirm 073.
Go ahead.
We're about 5 miles southeast of Olympia at 2,800, climbing 5,500. Request VFR flight following to Pearson.
What's the airport code?
Kilo Victor Uniform Ocean. Oscar.
Victor Uniform Oscar, is that correct?
Affirm 073.
Number 54073, squawk 4610.
4610 54073. My dispatcher. I said all the other ones is separate to O. Oops.
Tower 54073, radar contact 7 miles southeast of Olympia Airport.
Position check 073. Alrighty, that's about it. I will see you guys in a bit. Alright, 6,400, so 5,500 by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, gonna start the descent now into Vancouver, on with Portland right now. Just off to my right is Kalama back there, Woodlands over there. Alright, got the weather, fuel selectors on both, power, come back mixture rich. We'll full power, mixture is adjusted, carb heat is on. And nice 500 foot per minute descent. 11 minutes out now.
96901 Bravo, contact approach 126.0.
126.0 at 91 Bravo, good day.
Yep.
Alright, we'll call when over the freeway split. Air conditioners come back on. By air conditioner, you just mean pulling the vents and it's outside air. Buddy. Alright, 500 foot per minute down here. Thing with this one is it's just a way, there's like a certain procedure into it, so I don't know. I decided I wanted to be challenged today. We'll see how this goes. I'm a little nervous, but I think I'll do fine. Just navigating this airspace and stuff. And that's the thing. I'm kind of tired of letting fear control what I do. Not doing something because you're so scared of what it is, and you don't even know what it's going to be like. So that's about it.
Portland approach American 1180 at 12,000, descending on the hood 4 landing west Romeo.
American 1180, Portland approach, expect runway 28 left.
28 left. And Portland departure, Lancer 12 November Tango with a request.
12 November Tango, Portland approach, Portland altimeter 3004, so request.
Lancer 12 November Tango, we're southeast of Troutdale en route to Sun Valley and like to pick up VFR flight following.
Metro 12 November Tango, squawk 1515.
515 for 2 November Tango.
American 1180, fly present heading, vector to the final approach course, set to maintain 7,000.
Set maintain 7,000, present heading, American 1180.
Metro 12 November Tango, radar contact 10 miles west of Mount Hood. What altitude are you climbing to?
Lancer 2 November Tango is climbing to 17.5.
Metro 2 November Tango, roger, thank you. Contact Seattle Center, 119.65, 50.
119.65, 2 November Tango, thank you.
American 1180, turn left heading 240.
240 heading, American 1180.
American 1180, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles southeast, bound 9,500 PA 24, VFR.
We're looking American 1180.
November 11 Papa, traffic 10 o'clock, 4 miles south of westbound, American Airbus 320, 8,700 for 7,000.
11 Papa, traffic in sight.
11 Papa, roger.
Here's some traffic, Skyhawk 80347, departing runway 26 to the north.
American 1180, traffic no factor, contact approach 126.9er.
26.9, American 1180.
November 11 Papa, contact Seattle Center 128.15.
12815, 11 Papa.
54073, traffic 12 o'clock, 8 miles northwestbound, altitude indicates 1,400, slowly climbing just pretty much west of Vancouver Lake.
And looking for traffic 073.
Or 54073, additional traffic, 2 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, altitude indicates 1,200, VFR type unknown.
And also looking for that traffic 073.
On approach, Cessna 336 Romeo Sierra 5000, requesting the VOR Alpha in this booth.
336 Romeo Sierra, phone on approach, advise us to police weather, copy request.
Roger, we'll work on the weather situation.
Here's traffic 347 South Shore Vancouver Lake, departing to the north, last call Pearson.
162 North Shore to Vancouver Lake. We'll be heading to the north, 1,500 climb.
54073, initial and additional traffic, no factor. Traffic over Vancouver Lake now, northwestbound, altitude indicates 1,200, VFR type unknown.
And still searching for the traffic 073.
Portland approach, Skylane 5920 call, 12,500.
November 5918 Golf, Portland approach, the phone from 3003.
Roger 6 Romeo Sierra, how's the weather in this booth?
6 Romeo Sierra, roger. Five 407 Romeo traffic, correction 73, traffic no factor, radar search terminus, clock VFR for change of cruise.
Squawk VFR for decision for 073. Pearson advisory, Skyhawk 54073, just west of the freeway split with the Pearson weather.
54073 Pearson advice, remain outside Charlie airspace, pass flight turbulence for departure, South Portland.
We'll maintain outside of the Charlie 073.